Welcome everybody back to the vlog. This video I'm going to show you guys how you can win this 3D pen set. Check it out, brand new in the box. Show you guys how you can win. I'll ship it out to you guys. So today we're working on a drive Prowler. These things are a beast, man. They got big wheels on them. They go pretty fast. Let's get it on this guy. We're gonna do an alignment on this guy. Check it out. So you can see the difference. This tire was okay, but look at this one's bald because the alignment was off. So one wheel's way out, this one was straight, and so it's just dragging that one. It's fixed. Renegade. So that's it for this job. This is we're in Bakersfield. At one time this was probably a busy Kmart, but Kmart has just gone down the pooper. Tell them what they might win, man. Check it out.
It's a pen.
It's a printer pen, 3D printer pen. You can make all kinds of things. Even a fake mustache. Wow. If you can't grow a mustache like this guy, you could go ahead and print out a fake mustache. So it's brand new. He has one. I got my son one. Let me see. So these things are pretty cool. This company gave us a few to try them out. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on the video, on this video below. If you comment on it and tag a friend, let me know. I'll put you into the drawing and we're gonna give this away.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Here we are at Tejon Ranch at the outlet.
At the outlet. Keep going, man. You have the vibes.
Oh man, I thought the
vibes were on. We're hitting
I thought that was your job.
We're heading to the Tejon Outlets. This is the Tejon Ranch Outlets. They got all kinds of stuff up in here. Check it out. You see what they have. They don't have that much food.
Want to go in there first?
Let's go into this. I gotta find a computer chair for now. I like this chair. I need a new computer chair. And then I come and take a look at the price. Like, come on, dog. $600 for a basic computer chair. That was the Pottery Barn. It's like super overpriced stuff that you would find like at IKEA for like 20 bucks.
Stuff that people have in their house.
Man, they don't make your size here, man. Not fat.
Hey, man. Get
you a narco shirt. Well, I'm trying to pull up my coupon.
That's a comfortable sweater.
I swear, man, dudes be wearing vests like this size that fit this guy right here.
That's awesome.
You are ready for La Fiestas del Rancho.
I'm ready, dog.
Oh, you need some oversized glasses though. Like,
got my botas and my
get some aviators and you'll be ready to blend in. Vest. That was all our fun in the Polo store. Now if you want to go buy your tia some Coach purses, they got a food court here. They got some pretty good stuff in there. Oh, let's check out the Old Navy outlet. So the sales aren't that great. You got like 20% off of like 30 bucks. So they're all right. 15 bucks for pants. Let's go. If I put a quarter in that thing, would you write it?
Hell yeah.
As far as this food court, man, the food court is there used to be a Wingstop here and they got rid of it. There's not much here. There's a burger place, a Chinese food place, and pizza. Now the Nike outlet has shoes from like 20 bucks, 25. Look at these $25 shoes. What else they got? 50 bucks. You get some pretty good deals. They got the barbecue dads too. Look, check it out. Bam.
These are pretty good.
There you go, man.
I have enough shoes.
That's the end of our haul at the outlets. Got some glasses.
130? $7.
$7. Big
Can you tell the difference? 130? $7.
$7 glasses. Now time to head over the grapevine. So man, where are we going right now?
We're going across the grapevine, big fella.
There's a fire on the grapevine. We're about to film it. Oh, there it goes. It's going to flames, man. Maybe you should pull it on that. There's a carpet next to you. Dog, what the hell? Oh, it just went up in flames. Holy shit. You should have pulled right there or... That way. It's all the way over there. Oh, that's a fire. We just... Oh, look at that backup. Made a quick stop to Pyramid Lake Visitor Center. We've been fishing here before. You gotta get here early because most of these spots get taken. Look how low the water is right now.
Yeah, we have not had rain.
Usually the water level is like right there.
Gotta do my rain dance this week.
Let's see, let's check it out. Let's go inside. They usually have some cool stuff in here.
Clean bath.
And clean restrooms. So like this is like midway point through the grapevine. If you guys have to use the restroom, this is where to stop. Where is it?
But I think we can do it.
Is it water weight plus?
Positive.
You want to take a picture or are you too embarrassed?
No, I don't care. So how much water weight plus your actual weight? How much water weight? 130 pounds of water. Let me see.
Nah, I don't want to
Get on there. I won't record it.
No.
Come on. No, this guy doesn't want to. So it goes up to 2. To there. I see what it has to do. The balls go up to 2. Then it goes up through here. They drop right here and then you press for rain. Let's see. Are they gonna drop now? There it goes. Then it rains, then it goes right back to the river. Wow. Oh, this is California, look.
In California, we enjoy beautiful forests and lakes.
Coming back.
We
All the
enjoy
good stuff
plentiful
is like
farmlands
right
and
here.
world-renowned vineyards.
All the shitty parts
We
are up
enjoy
there,
healthy, attractive
You got
cities
nice
and
California.
urban communities that have been built in California.
Hey, we've been there.
We've been to Lake Oroville. That was like 2 videos ago.
Butte County. I like that place.
It's Butte County. Oh, look, we just went to Yuba City. Where else have we been?
We were just at the Sacramento River yesterday.
San Francisco Bay, the San Joaquin Valley, and Southern California.
Check it out. If it's windy out there, I apologize for that. I don't have one of those little fancy mics.
Foxtails?
Yeah, little foxtail mics. Soon though, soon. That's not that bad. So we've been fishing out here. You got little huts over there. But look, this is what I mean. You can see the water level, how low it is. The water level should be there, but it's like right there.
Apartments. Spot on the near.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Zoom into that boat over there. She's taking her top off.
Hey man, where? Don't play like that.
Here, look. Right over there. That's looking through this thing. Damn, big fella. What did you get us? We're gonna end this vlog with some delicious little fruta. You know what's even more delicious?
Two, baby.
The fact that you can win this free 3D printing pen. All you gotta do is comment on the video down below. Subscribe if you already haven't. Subscribe, huh? I'm gonna pick a winner soon.